Aloha guys, this is Fabian from Kaimi Construction, Hawaii. Today we're gonna be adding a concrete slab. We're gonna be extending that sidewalk right there. We also gonna be extending this concrete patio. This area was about 7 feet by 44 feet long. And also this area right here, we're gonna be extending it. This area right here was about 20 by 12. So we're gonna be doing that L shape right there. We have our skid steer there that we're going to be using for removing the dirt. Here we're using the spray paint to mark the area we're gonna be digging. In this particular case, we noticed when we removing the dirt, it was just the topsoil that we needed to remove, and that was about close to the 4 inches already, so that was good. Underneath the topsoil we see the white coral rock, so that's good for installing concrete. It's a very strong base, so we just needed to compact it and it was ready to go. We are going to form today, and the cement truck is scheduled to come the following day in the afternoon. Right there you kinda can see the white rocks, the white coral rocks. We have a dump trailer in the back of the house. That is where we're taking all of this dirt. This is actually the next day in the morning. We're getting ready to form. We pull up some strings as a guide, and also help us to form. Right here I'm just making sure we have a nice slope and it's level properly. That way when you form, you just follow the string. Right here we're just finishing up forming. um, One of the things you can do, like you see in it right now, we just put a 2x4 on top of the forms, and we can check the slope. Right here, this is the sidewalk section. This was about 3 feet by 12 feet long. Just a small area. And right here we're compacting it. We have a good base on the bottom. We have, like I said, we had the white coral rock, and it's a really good base. Ooh, right there, Pat is adding the rebars. We're using epoxy just to connect the two slabs. Right there you can see the rebars a little bit. This is the pour day. This is 3000 psi 3/4 rock with fiber match. We added fiber match into the mix. We've been using fiber mix for quite some time now, many years, and we highly recommend it. We never had cracks on our pours. It's literally having a bunch of rivers throughout the mix, and that's basically what it is. It makes your concrete really stick together, and we guarantee no cracks on this mix. Especially on this day, I remember this day was really hot, and we had to move really fast to get the cement out of the truck and smooth them up as fast as we could. This day was really hot. We're also gonna be doing wet joints on this slab. You can also saw cut it the following day, but I just, because it was so hot, I really wanted to make sure that I didn't have any cracks on this slab. Right there I'm marking the joints. This product is gonna be a broom finish. Here we're doing the bull flow one more time. Right there I'm cutting the joints. This day we didn't have to wait too much for brooming. It was drying really fast, so we had to move faster than usual. Right there we start brooming already.
Aloha. It is a beautiful day here in Hawaii. Wonderful weather. We were here this afternoon and start this pour. Bobby and his crew was prepped this yesterday. We saw up here in Mote and see to pour the concrete. It's a fiber is inside the concrete. That's what they hold the whole thing. Fiber is the tricky part of this. If you know that when we screened the dish was a little bit more than 4.5 inches, and we pour all the edge and we straight edge, and now we trials. It's a from finish right now.
Yep.
Okay. Have a good day. Aloha. One day Manu will see you in the next video.
All right. That's the last touch.
Yes, it's the final touch. They gotta have the water to make it smooth. Everything with water is happy. It's called pono in Hawaii. Life. Without water, we're dead. So always have a little water. So to make the plume smoothly flowing. Knock down all the stuff. But if you see the fiber, it will go away later when it's all dry up. So that's what hold this job. We never have a job crack because of the fiber mix. Okay? It's reinforcing every inch of these pieces of this concrete. This all concrete here, someone did the job, it's cracking everywhere. There were no fiber. So the owner might end up to reset. We call our company because you know never have a crack on cement. So okay, move the bucket over there, please.
That was my father-in-law. He's been doing this for a long time. He came down to help me with this pour. He's been doing this for over 30 years now. So he has a lot of experience on any type of concrete work. So we're gonna be finishing this up, brooming. I'm gonna be removing the forms the next day tomorrow, and yeah, that's the final product, guys. Let us know if you have any questions. We can you guys can comment below if you have any question and we can answer them. Or if you are here somewhere in Hawaii, in Oahu, we work all over the island. So if you guys need any type of concrete work, you guys can give us a call and we can schedule you guys for a free estimate. This is the sidewalk extension. And this is the last part of the job. Alright guys, give us a call, let us comment below if you have any question. We'll be happy to answer them. And see you guys in the next video. Aloha.